So, I just got off a roof snaking a drain, which I never do. So I said, I'm gonna bring out this tiny ass snake and just take a gamble and see if it'll work. Because this other service call before this gave me hell. And by the grace of God, it did work. I got it cleared. I ran it through there one time, ran the water, and it wasn't backing up. So thank God, everything works for a reason. And this is the life of a fake plumber.